Hey man, say man, back in cover, man. You know what I'm saying? You see me, man. Yeah, Popeyes, man. We them all with them, yeah, Popeyes, man. Mine the heck of me, I know I keep it clip, but you know what I'm saying? I'm whooping right now. Birthday on the 20th, so vlog gonna be dropping for y'all boys. Let's go. Today we're gonna be trying to do what them little things called? The chicken dippers. So let's go get active for y'all real quick. See what they talking about, man. I know how rocking I'm coming, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Tap me with other videos too, man. I'm trying to stay, like, you know what I'm saying, on top of this shit for y'all. But y'all gotta stay on top with me too, though. So go. Like I said, we at Popeyes right now. My food should be coming out. I'm finna tell them to get it to me for free because I've been waiting too long. How the chicken ain't ready at Popeyes? You go, what? Yeah, man. Y'all make sure y'all watch the video, man. Like I said, man, I'm still waiting on that food. She already paid. I paid this shit online. Like I said, man. Yeah. Oh, there we go. We here now. We good now. Man, you know what I'm saying? I ain't tomorrow no more. I'm at home now. I get home though, my food fucked up, of course. Of course, Houston fucking fast food companies do not know how to make sure your shit there. But anywho, man, got the little chicken dippers, you know what I'm saying? The little chicken dippers. Got the new little apple caramel, whatever it is, little, I think it's a cheesecake. I got me a little mango. I mixed with strawberries, a little melted, but mixed with strawberry and some other shit. Got my little sauce, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm a little hot though, man. They gave me my little points on the app though, so you know what I'm saying? We eating free next time we eat Popeyes for sure. Let's go and get into the CD talking about, man. I think these came out before though. We're gonna try out the wild honey mustard real quick though. Let's see. Yeah, these did come out before. They good. Man, they good as hell though. I don't understand why they don't stand the menu though. It's crazy, but alright. Hey. We're good. Let me get a little sip of this melted ass shit. That's good as hell. The mixture good, I ain't gonna lie. I can't open it. I'm weak as hell. Y'all know I stutter, man, so if you were to get lost, man, y'all know I'm coming. But look like, you know what I'm saying? Gonna do a little something. See. Damn, 2 spoons? I think there's 1. I ain't like motherfucker smell good as hell. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's him for sure. No. Yo, look good. But alright. I think it was rates. Of course, drink 10 out of 10. But right now, it's like 8 because you know that. Chicken little finger things. We go down and end it off with, you know what I'm saying? Cool 8.5. Get my fat ass still trying to get them. I don't know, my bad, y'all. The little caramel apple pie thing, get that 10 out of 10 for sure. Of course, the sauce 10 out of 10 for sure. I tell you, man, you gas though. But y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man, and go tap in with Popeyes, man. Tell them to put your order up like you did Kevo's. But we gonna slide with this shit. We out, man. I just pulled up, you know what I'm saying? Like, at the top, man, you know what I'm saying?